Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're navigating the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDC from Kraken to Revolut for easier access or spending. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Revolut. You'll also need some USDC in your Kraken wallet and Revolut's crypto features enabled. Revolut has made this pretty user-friendly by now. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and find your wallet section. Look for USDC in your asset list. Once you're there, click on the withdraw option next to USDC. Kraken will prompt you to select the network. Stick with the most common one like Ethereum or whatever Revolut supports in 2025 to ensure compatibility. Double-check this, as using the wrong network could mean losing your funds forever. Step 2. Get your Revolut wallet address. Open the Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and select USDC. There should be an option to deposit or view your wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Next, enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees. These can vary, so check Kraken's estimates first. Once everything looks good, review the details one last time and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kraken. Now, step 3. Wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, blockchain transfers are faster, but it could still take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Revolut app. Once it shows up, you're all set. Finally, verify the amount in your Revolut balance to make sure everything transferred correctly. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for security, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. That's it for today's guide. Transfers don't have to be scary with the right steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.